Hello everyone, my name is Anne and you are welcome back to my channel. The purpose of our practice today, to avoid and prevent neck pain from showing up, and in case the neck pain is here, to take rid of the neck pain safely. All the exercises are according to Dr. Gasquet Method from France, and you will see the approach is a little bit different from what you have known so far. Neck pain is a so common issue due a lot to the large use of the computers, the laptops, and the tablets, and the use of the cellular phone that we're generally placing on one side. So we're creating a lot of tension into the neck and the shoulders, and sometimes this will lead to headaches. So a little bit about your neck. Your first cervical vertebra, the C1, is called the Atlas vertebra. In the Greek mythology, Atlas was the leader of the Titan rebellion against Zeus. After the defeat of the Titans, Atlas was condemned by Zeus to eternally hold the universe on his shoulders. So our head is not heavy as the universe, but still as an adult it weighs between 5 and 7 kilos, and for a baby much more in proportion. It will take 3 months for a baby to develop enough neck muscle in order to straighten his head when he's lying on his stomach. So this is very important to support the baby's head before that, so it will not move backwards, and then is not able to bring it forward again. And it can compress the arteries, the nerve, and the spinal cord that is passing through the cervicals. So you will have a lack of oxygen to the brain. Even an adult who stares upward too long could faint because the lack of oxygen to the brain. So you see, this is very important to know how to move a neck, to be careful a little bit with that. So I want to ask you a question. What do you think in order to avoid neck pain? You think we should release the neck completely or maybe tone the muscle of the neck? And I want to give you 2 examples. Did you ever fallen asleep in an airplane? So your head is moving forward or backward or to the side, and since you are sleeping, your muscles are completely released, and then you wake up with a sore neck. And you know what is theoretically this very bad neck pain that most of the time develops during the night because you are sleeping, your muscles are released completely, and if you are in a bad position with your head on your pillow or without your pillow, you can wake up with a torticollis. So I think you know where I'm going to. We are always offered exercise to relax the neck and not enough exercise to turn the neck. However, if you want to avoid crushing your cervicals and be able to keep your head on your shoulders, as the expression said, in alignment with your shoulders, and without having a stronger or weaker side, so this is necessary to tone our neck muscle from the base upward, and that's exactly what we are going to do right now. So what do you need is or a yoga belt or a shell like this one, and sit on a chair. If you want to sit on a chair, you will find a description how to sit correctly on your chair. And if not, you can, like me, sit on a yoga block or directly on your mat. Choose a comfortable position for you that allow you to keep your back completely straight. So let's start together. If you are sitting on your yoga block or on your mat, place your feet on the ground in front of you, then cross your legs, keeping your knee high. Bring your knee to come closer to each other, and then lower your legs as they are supported by your feet. Then hold one thigh, lift the buttocks in the same side, and rotate this thigh in internal rotation. Let's do the other side the same way, so we are better grounding on sitting bones. Then hold the calf of your external leg and rotate it slightly in external rotation to release and ease the knee. Externally rotate your arms, lower your shoulders, place your fingertips on the ground, chin slightly in, top of the head up. Exhale to the mouth, relaxing your jaws completely, lengthen your spine, pushing your sitting bone down under the top of the head up. Perfect. Place your palms on your knees and turn your head right and left, trying to feel if there are any tension there. Maybe one side is more tense than the other. Pay attention to draw an horizontal line with your nose, so you keep the lengthening of your neck. Great. Then place your left palm between the neck and the shoulder on the right side Release completely your left shoulder and release your right arm down. And then from here, we're going to open our hand to the side, like you are drawing a semicircle outward. Come back to the center and then inward, your arm, forearm and wrist, and move backward. So we're drawing an 8. Do it slowly. Pay attention to keep your wrist aligned with your forearm and not to lift your arm too much up because you are going to lift your shoulders, that we don't want to do. And continue breathing here. So we are breathing and releasing a little bit our shoulder and shoulder blades. It will be a very good base to work with your neck. A little bit more. This is the movement you can adopt when you are sitting in front of your computer, like once in every hour maybe. And great, and release. Let's do the other side the same way. You can feel maybe some difference even from now. So place your right palm between the neck and the shoulder on your left side. Release your shoulders down and begin your movement. Opening your palm to the side like you want to give something to somebody. And inward, go backward. And again, open and backward. So draw your 8. Release your jaws and breathe. Enjoy the moment. Two more. Great. And relax. Take your shell. We are going to place the shell behind the head on the occiput, the bump that we had behind the head. Lower your shoulders. Exhale to the mouth. Try to push your head, your occiput against your shell. So like you're the wall behind you. Then release a little bit, inhale. Exhaling. Pushing. Try to have a deep and long exhalation. So your hands are doing a little bit contra, but not too much, gently. Release, inhale. 3. Release. 4. Release. 5. Release. 1 more. 6. Try to stay there a little bit more. Then relax completely. Perfect. Place now your shell on the top of the head. A little bit forward so it's not going to fall backward. And hold with your palms at the levels of your hips. Release completely your shoulders. Exhale to the mouth. Try to push the sky. Chin slightly in. Like you want to push something very heavy upward. Then release, inhale. Exhale. Your hands are resisting a little bit. They are not pulling down, just resisting. And release, inhale. Exhaling up. Long exhalation. Release, inhale. 3 more. Exhale. Try to push the sky. You know those women in Africa that are holding some very stuff on their head? They have a very majestic allure and don't suffer from neck pain. Release, inhale. 3 more. Exhale. Pushing up. And pushing also your sitting bones into the mat at the same time. Release, inhale. Exhale. Great job. 1 more. Great. And release. Release your shell for a moment. And now, chin slightly in, top of the head up, extending the water at your arms. Lower your fingertips to the mat. Exhale to the mouth. Lengthen your spine again. Keep your neck, your long neck, and then place your right fingers on your left ear. So they are just touching to give a sign to the ear where to move. Exhale to the mouth and try to send your left ear up, but don't bend on your right side. We're not here. Keep your long neck and try to push your fingers with your ear, like you want to hear something, somebody speaking into the clouds. Release, inhale. Exhale. Continue to push up, backward, as we did before, and also this dimension. Your left ear wants to move upward. Release, inhale. 4 more. Exhale. Lower your left shoulder. Try to release the right one. Relax, inhale. Exhale. Perfect. 2 more. Exhaling up. Long and deep exhalation. Try to send your left ear. Your right ear wants to move in the same direction. Release. Last one. Exhale. Great. And release. Let's do the other side the same way. So first, exhaling. Lengthen your spine. Place now your left fingertips on your right ear. Don't pull. Just be there to give the sign. Exhale to the mouth. Lengthen your spine, pushing backward and upward. And your right ear wants to push your fingers up. Stay there a little bit. Then relax, inhale. Exhale. A little bit more. Relax. 4. Relax. 3. Trying to reach the sky a little bit more every time. Great. 2. Great. And last one. Perfect. Release your palms, release your shoulders down. Last exercise that is going also to work on your abs. Yes. So take your shell and place it on your forehead. And then exhale to the mouth. Try to push with your forehead forward, but your head is staying in the same place. Align, head on your shoulders. Do you remember? Then release, inhale. We can add here the contraction of the pelvic floor muscle to have a deeper work. So contract like to return in it. Then exhale to the mouth. Try to push forward. Your head is not moving forward because you have a resistance with your hands. A little bit more. Relax, inhale. Do you feel your abs? Contract, exhale. Begin to push your head forward. But stay aligned with your neck, with your shoulders, and release, inhale. Contract, exhale. Pushing forward. Great. Release. Exhale. 3. Don't be afraid to give some resistance. 2. Last one. Great job. Release completely down. Let's take the first exercise we did with the shell, just for 3 rounds. Place your shell behind the occiput. Release your shoulders. Exhale to the mouth. Try to push backward. Make gentle resistance with your hands. Release your shoulders. Release, inhale. Exhaling. Pressing gently backward. Release, inhale. Last one. Exhale. Long and deep exhalation. Perfect. And release. Turn your head again right and left. And see if you feel any difference. I hope so. I hope those exercises were helpful for you. And if they were, I suggest to repeat them every day for a few minutes. If you enjoyed the practice, you are invited to subscribe here to my channel to be informed on further videos coming soon. And also to support my job. And if you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask here into the comments. See you soon and take care of yourself. Keep your head on your shoulders. Yes? Thank you.